What's up, everybody? It's Goose. Kind of got a different video today. If y'all seen the last video, Jenny is supposed to be down the road with the goats. My neighbor just called me about half an hour ago and asked me if my dog got out. I was like, I don't think so. They usually don't. And I look out the window and there's Jenny standing at the gate. She's supposed to be about 3 miles down the road, and I've only ever took her there once, so I cannot believe she found her way back, but she did. She missed me, I guess. Big girl. I'm pretty sure she went under the fence somewhere, but I'm gonna load her up and take her back and try to fix the problem. Dogs are just too smart sometimes. We're back, and she is thirsty. I don't know how long she's been out today. They came out here and watered and gave her food this morning, but they didn't see her. She sleeps in the morning, so they didn't bother her. They figured she was sleeping, but nobody seen her this morning, so she might have got out this morning. I don't know. Not real sure, but anyway, we're back. We got some high spots right here. It's about a foot off the ground. Is she gonna do it right in front of me? No. All right, I thought that was the problem. It is. As you can see, I got a step-in post. There's a few high spots like this. I'm gonna go around and put these step-in posts in and pull that wire down. Now I gotta get Jenny back in here real quick. I'm in a thorn bush. Look how the goat stripped it. Alright, I'm headed to the back of the pen to add some step-in posts where I need them. But while I'm walking through here, I just want to show y'all what the goats have done. We have 24 goats total in here, and 4 of them are kids. I think that's right. I'm not sure right now. Anyway, I just want to show y'all what they've done. I didn't really walk through here on the last video, and part of that's because it was so darn thick. I mean, you couldn't see through here at all. You can see everything now. I'm gonna go ahead and just walk through the thicket so I can show y'all. I mean, just look at what they've been doing to these plants. Stripping all the leaves off. Wow, they've only been out here a week. I thought this would last them a good 3 weeks. It's looking kind of bare. We might have to hurry up and move them. This is neat over here. I've never even seen this. It was so thick, I didn't know this whole rock formation was out here. Oh. There's all these rocks. Sorry about the bad picture. Jenny chose to do this late, so it's gonna be dark in about half an hour. Oh, this is neat. I gotta walk down to it. So obviously the water runs through there into here, and then there's a big sinkhole over here. This is cool. Need to get done. It's about to get dark, but gotta explore. This is neat. So yeah, this drains a lot of water. I might have seen this before on that side. That's the, you can't see it through here. Just past that deer stand, right there in the middle of the screen. Right past that's where the fence is. Yeah, they really cleared it out. We're gonna have to drop some trees or hurry up and move these goats. So they are about out of forage. All right, I'm gonna add these step-in posts and hurry up and get done before it gets dark. All right, so I got the problem fixed, I hope. Wish me luck. I guess we'll see if she's out here in the morning. But I added some step-in posts and I pulled the wire down where it was hot, so hopefully we're good. I just had to share that with y'all. Jenny's just too smart for her own good. She's a good girl though. That's all. I'll see y'all later. Goose out.